Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. You're not going to want to miss this video to the very end because I'm going to be showing you how to use this hanging travel bag that Dollar Tree has out right now, and I thought to pick one up just to see how practical it is and if it's going to be good for the ideas that I have. So you can find it here in this section where they usually have their storage bins and stuff like that. What I love about this is that it has a hanger, so it's really nice and easy to place anywhere you would like, and each little compartment does have a zipper, so I like that as well. For the first idea, I thought it would be super cute and nice for in your bathroom or in your kids' bathroom. You can hang this for their bath time and it'll be really nice and easy for them to get what they need, or for you to have your things set up for when you are about to have their bath time. You can have their bath bombs and some soap, their toothbrush, maybe even some toys, as you can see right there. And I think this is super great for that because it's so nice and organized, and you can keep all of the things for the bath time right in here. And if you didn't want to keep it in the bathroom at all times, then you can simply just take it out, but everything will stay nice and put together for when you need it to hang it back up in the bathroom. And I think that is super great. But again, if you didn't want to use it for specifically for a kid, or if you don't have kids, you can take all of that stuff out and put in stuff for adults, for maybe a guest bathroom. You can place down, I have there's some shower steamers, some teeth whiteners, some wrist guards, soap, toothbrush, maybe even a face mask for your guest. Or honestly, if you just want it for your own personal bathroom, then that's great. And I think this is super lovely and nice to just have your things nice and tidy and organized for when you are ready to take a shower and things like that. But I think it's super great for a guest bathroom, so you can have just like a little welcome kit for them. Dollar Tree has out this awesome new product that is new to me. Let me know if you've seen it in Dollar Tree before, but I have not. This is the luxury room mist. They do have two different scents out right now, and I did give it a little spritz of the one that I'm gonna pick up because I wanted to smell it and see how it smells. And it smells absolutely amazing. You can see here this one is called Island Vibe, and it tells you the notes that it has in it. But I think it is a great buy for $125 because you can use this as a refresher for any of your rooms in your home. And you can see how nicely it sprays out, and it does have a little safety clip there so you can stop the bottle from spraying, which is nice. And if you thought I was done showing you ways that you can use this hanging organizer, then you thought wrong, because you can also use it for your beauty stuff, which I find very nice as well, because I'm not the only one who has these flat packages of face masks, maybe foot masks, even some of your hair stuff. And I find this to be the perfect little compartment to organize those things in, because you can also hang this inside of one of your closets and have it nice and tucked away so you don't see it and it's not in the way, but it's ready for whenever you need it. And I think that is a super great idea to hold your beauty stuff, especially the stuff for your face that comes in packages like this. I think it's super nice. If you have not been to Dollar Tree's candle section, then you definitely should, especially now for the fall time and the Thanksgiving season, that you have leaves, pumpkins all over your home. These are super cute, really nice, adorable candle holders that I find really nice and high-end looking as well. And then they also have these candles. These are LED candles that actually flicker, and I've never seen these in Dollar Tree. They have this lighter color, well, quotation glass around the candle, and then they have this dark color that I'm more of a fan of, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up because I just love it so much. It looks super pretty once you turn it on. And I did pick up that leaf candle holder, and you can see just how pretty it looks sitting here in the bathroom. Of course, you can place it anywhere in your home to give it a nice little essence when you walk in, and I just love it. I think it's super pretty for a Dollar Tree find, and it does look high-end, more like if you didn't buy it at the dollar stores. So I really love that, and you would have to let me know what you think of this find. Last thing, I'm going to show you using this hanging organizer from Dollar Tree, because I want to show you all of the best ways and multiple ways that you can use this. As you may know that I do that on my videos, and I like to show you how to use a Dollar Tree item multiple ways. I just find it more, more better for you to be able to use the item and things like that. But as you can see, you can fold this up completely, and then it has the little strings to tie it, which makes it so perfect for when you are traveling. You can place it inside of your luggage and it won't take any space at all. You can place down much more things inside of your luggage. So I'm just showing you here that you can place down your socks, your underwear, everything that you might need when you are traveling, and it fits in there perfectly. I don't know exactly why I'm placing it in these pockets, because there is a bigger one and a longer one down at the bottom. You can see I just changed it down to the bottom, and now in this one I'm placing down some more socks, and you can see that you can place down a good amount if you are going somewhere for the weekend or something like that. But I had the most perfect idea that I'm going to use this for, and it's for when I go to the gym. I like to shower after at the gym, because by the time I get home, it's late, so I just shower at the gym, and I find this to be the greatest thing to hang in the shower, to have all of my needs that I need when I am at the gym for a shower and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use that for that, and you can see you can close it up, tie it, and place it right inside of my gym bag. And look at how much space I still have inside of here. You can see I even have my body wash, shampoo. I can even still place down some clothes, a towel, maybe even some shoes. You still have all the room, and this is just a duffel bag, so imagine your luggage. This would not take any space at all. My friend, if you made it this far into my video, comment down below spooky. I'm going to continue my giveaway from my last video. In case you didn't see that video, go ahead and check it out so you can see the details of the giveaway. But comment down below spooky so I can have you entered into the giveaway. Good luck, and thank you so much for sticking around to the very end of my video, because it really truly means the world to me to have you here spending some time with me and seeing all of my ideas for Dollar Tree products. So thanks again so much, and I will see you all on my next video. Have a safe week and a safe Halloween. I will see you all next time. God bless.